this video, we will learn how to edit DAQmx channels. We can use the DAQmx global channel control to launch the DAQ Assistant. Follow these steps to launch the DAQ Assistant from a DAQmx global channel control and edit a previously saved global virtual channel. Place a DAQmx global channel control on the front panel. We can select a global channel we previously created and saved. Right-click the control and select Edit DAQmx channel from the shortcut menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to change the channel configuration. Make the necessary changes. Give it a test run. And press OK when you are done. We can also use Max to launch the DAQ Assistant and edit previously saved channels. Make changes, save, and you are done.